Okay, so this is a bladeless cordless tower fan, and I got the purple color. So it's a USB charge. This, it doesn't oscillate, but this base lets it turn. You know, you can turn it manually. There we go. Let's see. Okay, so 3 is the highest, and that gives you a pretty good amount of, you can see, blowing my user manual pretty good. So it's just really cool that it's a USB charge, so you can charge it, get it fully charged, and then you don't have to worry about it being plugged in. You could take it camping. It could be if you have a desk, you know, that doesn't have a plug nearby. Super cool. It has a nightlight feature, which is really pretty. Could be used in a kid's room. The brand is in Morven, and it is the T1 bladeless design, quiet operation, USB charge, LED light. It has the light, timer, and then it actually does oscillate, so even better. And it's a good amount of air. Really, really cool. I'm wondering if I can put this in a suitcase because I need a fan to sleep. So when we travel, this might be just amazing. Definitely recommend. Super cute.